In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record using your iPhone. Whether you're trying to screen record to send someone instructions on how to do something, or making a YouTube video, it's pretty easy. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do it. Let's jump right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Pablo, helping you live a modern lifestyle through technology. And on this channel, we talk tech and how tech fits into our lifestyle. We do that via tech reviews, tech tutorials, and how-to videos. If any of these topics interest you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Let me show you how to screen record and how easy it is to do. Let's scroll down from the top, right? And then you're gonna look for this little icon right here. You're gonna click on that. You see its little countdown. So that's telling us you got 3 seconds for the recording. It is recording now. And then you'll see it up here as well. It's red when it's recording. So whatever it is they want to record, you go to it. I don't know, let's go to YouTube just for a quick second. Just gonna do this. Go back here. And then, I don't know, go to the calendar, I guess. Whatever it is you want to record. And then when you're done, all you got to do is just press this up here. Stop recording. And then it'll be saved to your photos. So to see it, you click on that or go into your photos and you'll see the video right away. And whatever it is they recorded will be saved in your photos. Let's say you don't have this icon here. Let me show you how to set that up. So we're gonna go to settings, then we're gonna go to control center. And here you'll see all the controls that you have that are active via control center. So let me just take this off for a quick second, remove it, then you'll see it down here. I want to add it. Let me actually take it off again, remove it, show you that it's no longer there. Now let's add it again. You'll see that it's right there. And then you can use these little guys to kind of move them up and down or move wherever you want it to be. So that's how easy it is to add screen recording to your control center if it's not there already. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything at all you want to say, put them down in the comments below. I love hearing from you. I love interacting with you. Don't forget about the giveaway. When we reach 500 subscribers, giving away an Amazon Echo description, or the details on how to enter are going to be down in the description below. Till the next one, it's been a pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your evening, morning, or afternoon. Peace. Bye.